All right, everybody, welcome back. Thank you so much for stopping by. I appreciate it. So I did turn up the volume 300%, so hopefully you guys can hear me. And I'm just going to jump right in. So as you know, I haven't been working for a while. So I'm going to apply for a job soon, like right after this video. But I'm going to show you guys how to apply for a job currently in the union. And it is May 11, almost midnight, May 11, 2022. So first of all, you're going to log into the website right here. This is 48dispatch.com. Obviously, you have to be in the union, in my union, IBEW 48, to be able to use this video to your benefit. But if you're just wondering how it works, then go ahead and keep watching. Otherwise, it's not going to be very useful, but I'll go ahead and show you guys what to do. So first of all, you're going to log into the website, and then you're going to click on job bidding right here, and that's going to take you where you need to go. As you can see, it's open right now from 6 p.m. to 9 a.m. And you can pick out which book you're on right here, Inside Wireman. You can pick what you want to do or type in what you are. Obviously, I'm a journeyman right here. Or you can pick inside residential, foreman, whatever you can see right there. And then you can, if you want to work for a certain employer, you can do that. Or if you want to work on a certain job site, if you want to see a certain job site, you can do that. Or you can also pick out like which city you want to do. So if I wanted to work in Clackamas, it would show a job right there. If I wanted to work in Longview, it would show a job right there. Or if I wanted to work in Vancouver, then there would be some jobs right here. So anyways, I'm going to show you guys basically what to do. I'm just going to leave it on all. As you can see, there's a whole bunch of jobs right here. Basically, you just click on a job right here, and you can read about it. There is another website right here, the dispatch website, which is basically shows all the jobs in total right here. There's 132 jobs available. And then basically you can read about every single one of these jobs right here if you want to take one of them or not. And you can basically just type in, if with like Control F, if you want to find like a 5/8 schedule, a 4/10, a 5/10, 6/10, whatever you want. So you can look at that way, or you can basically go through all of these. I don't think there's a really hourly search right here, which is unfortunate. So you just have to go back to the other website right here, the dispatch, IBEW 48 dispatchers report, to read about those, and then you can log in here and then pick which one you want. So basically what you do, once you find one that you want, you would basically go and put your first pick right there. Say I wanted to work here as an inside wireman for $53.85 an hour, and I would be working there for 3 months. And this would be a 4/10 schedule, and it tells you basically what time you start at 8 a.m. And that basically tells you what all you need to do for that job. Like there's a 5. It would be telling you you need to weigh 220 pounds or less for this specific job, just because I don't know why. And then there's a security clearance. You need a drug card of 6 months. And then it tells you 4/10 to 5/10 schedule, extra $5 an hour, so you'd actually be at $58.85 an hour. Lots of walking, safety toe boots required, all that good stuff. 1 free meal provided a day, and then show up with all your documents and all that stuff. So anyways, if you wanted to do that job, first, you would go ahead and pick number 1, your first position right there. And if I wanted to say I work at Mill Plain Electric right here, then I would put that as my second option, and then you can go ahead and all the way down the list. Not that you want to take 41 different jobs, but you have that option. And then all you have to do once you want to submit your bid is go ahead and click on this submit bid right there, and that should do it. I haven't used this system before, but I'm going to go ahead and do that right after this video. I'm going to go ahead and pick the job that I want, which is not these ones, but I was just giving you guys an example. So that's what it's going to look like. Just fill out and pick, just pick the number right there that you want. If I wanted to work right there, that would be my third one, and then just hit the button right there, and that is how you would do it. So hopefully this gives you guys a little bit of insight of how you would go ahead and pick a job in the union for IBEW 48, or hopefully something similar in your case if you guys work in a different union as a journeyman. I don't think you can do this as an apprentice because you're kind of assigned to a company. if you don't know that already. So anyways, this is more for journeyman and above. So hopefully this helped you out. If you guys found this useful, go ahead and hit the like button. I'd appreciate it, and I'd love the support. I'd love to see you guys back in the next video. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button as well, and I will see you in the next one, and I'll keep you guys updated. So like I said, I'm going to apply for the job right now, and we'll see in the morning if I get it. I'm assuming that I will be getting either, I'm going to apply for 2 jobs, so either way I should be getting a job tomorrow, and maybe even do the orientation tomorrow, and then be working on Friday or Monday at the earliest. Friday at the earliest, or maybe Monday. So anyways, I'm going to be getting back to work here soon. So like I said, see you in the next one. God bless. Have an awesome rest of your day. Peace out.